Yeah, I mean, testimonials, I think, are huge, right? Because at the end of the day, people want to make sure there's a validation. They want to make sure that you're real. They want to make sure that you actually do what you say you do, right? And having testimonials from your clients is a must. What I used to do is I used to get a settlement statement, and I would go over that settlement statement via Zoom with my client, right? And then at the end of that settlement statement, where they're actually receiving the funds from the sale of their home, I say, hey, Mr. Seller and Mrs. Seller, we had a great time working together. How was your overall experience in working with us and our team? And they usually say, oh, it's great, Jackie was awesome, you were great, this and that. So we take that snippet, and it's maybe 1 minute, it may be a minute and a half, it's 2 minutes, right? And we use that as a testimonial. And you can have like multiple testimonials just like that without actually going there and asking them questions and them feeling awkward. All of it is done naturally through Zoom, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and you can have like probably 3-4 testimonials like this every single month.